game was difficult from the beginning until the end. We found Freiburg played well with intensity, with good counterattack, and we didn't play well. But we showed good character. We showed personality. We wanted to win, also if we didn't play well. And so for this, I'm satisfied. Yes, I expected because I saw some games of Freiburg, above all the game at home, and we knew that they played with intensity. They played really compact, and of course, we could play better. This is our goal for the next game, but sometimes there is no possibility to play better, and so you have to use other quality. And from one aspect, I'm not happy, but for other aspect, sometimes if you train team with character, with personality, is a good thing. You cannot expect to play always a fantastic football. Sometimes you have to fight, you have to combat, and we fight and we combat against a strong team.